The biggest reason most people never start their first business isn't a lack of money, and it's definitely not a lack of good ideas. It's analysis paralysis. You're terrified of picking the wrong thing. Or maybe you're frozen by the fear of messing up the legal stuff, getting sued and losing your personal savings. So you do nothing. You keep watching videos like this, dreaming while another year goes by. Today, we end that cycle. By the end of these 10 minutes, I'm going to give you the exact framework to choose a viable business idea this weekend. Then, I'm going to walk you through the unsexy but totally necessary steps to set it up legally as an LLC so you are protected and ready for actual profit. Let's get to work. Are you ready to make money? What's up everyone, my name is Rick and welcome back to the channel. We talk about building real wealth through practical business and smart finance. If you're tired of just thinking about being an entrepreneur and you're ready to actually become one, you are in the right place. Today is broken into 3 parts: the choice, the setup, and the profit prep. Don't skip the middle part. It's boring, but it's what keeps you out of jail and keeps your money safe. Alright, phase 1, choosing the business. Mistake number 1, trying to invent the next Facebook or Tesla on your first try. Stop trying to be innovative. Your first business shouldn't be about changing the world. It should be about learning how to run a business while making some money. We need to lower the bar for entry. Use the boring business framework. Look at the intersection of these 3 things. 1. What skills do you already have? Can you write? Can you power wash a driveway? Can you organize a messy closet? 2. What do people hate doing? People hate cleaning gutters. They hate figuring out their taxes. They hate managing social media for their small dry cleaning business. And 3. What are people already paying for? Your first business should solve a boring problem for someone else. Think about service arbitrage. This is the fastest way to start. Find a client who needs something done, like graphic design or lawn care. Hire someone else to do it for less than you charge the client and keep the difference. You are managing the project. The goal here is speed. Don't spend 6 months writing a business plan. Pick a service you can offer by next Monday. Remember, you aren't marrying this business idea, you are just dating it to learn the ropes. Okay, you've picked your boring idea. You're excited, you're ready to go sell it. Stop. Do not collect $1 until you watch this next section, because if you start operating as just yourself and you make a mistake, you damage someone's property, or you accidentally infringe on a trademark, and you get sued, they aren't coming for your business money. They are coming for your personal bank account, your car, and your house. We need to build a wall around your life. We need an LLC. Standard disclaimer, I am a business guy, not a lawyer or CPA. This is for educational purposes, but you need to know the workflow. We are setting up a limited liability company, or LLC. This is the most common structure for first-time business owners. Why an LLC? It does exactly what the name says. It limits your liability. It creates a separate legal person. If the business gets sued, the business pays, not you personally, usually. Here are the 4 steps to legitimacy. Step 1, the name, search. Go to your state's Secretary of State website. Do a business entity search. Make sure Bob's Power Washing isn't already taken in your state. If it's clear, buy the matching URL immediately. Step 2, file articles of organization. This sounds fancy, but it's just a form on that same Secretary of State website telling the government you exist. In many states it takes 15 minutes and costs between $50 and $200. You don't need an expensive lawyer for this part. Step 3. Get your EIN. This is your employer identification number. It's like a social security number for your business. You get this for free instantly from the IRS website. Do not pay anyone to do this for you. Step 4. The business bank account. This is non-negotiable. You take your approved LLC documents and your EIN to a bank, online banks like Novo or Relay or a local credit union, and open a business checking account. Hear me clearly, never mix personal and business money. If you buy groceries on the business card, a judge can say your LLC is a sham and pierce the corporate veil, removing all that legal protection we just built. Business income goes into the business account. Business expenses come out of it. Period. Alright, you're legal. Now let's get ready to actually make money. A business isn't a business until a transaction happens. Before you talk to your first customer, you need 2 things settled. First, pricing. Most beginners underprice because they are scared. Don't guess. Look at 3 competitors in your area, find their average price, and start there. Do not be the cheap option. It attracts bad clients. Be the reliable option. Second, how you get paid. You need friction-free payments. Do not ask your first clients to mail you a paper check. Set up a Stripe account, a PayPal business account, or use software like Wave or QuickBooks to send professional invoices that allow clients to click and pay instantly with a credit card. If it's hard for them to pay you, they won't. Look, the hardest part of business is the start. The paperwork feels overwhelming, and the self-doubt is real. But realize this, every massive company you see started exactly where you are right now. They picked an idea, they filed the paperwork, and they asked for the sale. You have the blueprint, now you need the guts to execute it. Don't let another week go by dreaming. Take action this weekend. Now you're set up, but you still need customers. In the next video, I'm going to show you the exact $0 marketing strategy. I used to get my first 10 high-paying clients without spending a dime on ads. You literally cannot afford to miss that video if you're starting out. Always check the description area for any help we may offer. So, smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you get that alert, and let's build this thing together. May God bless you in your business venture.